In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning-fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, Blade Runner's always ready to slice your work time. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.